Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the audiologist here at Audiology Associates. We upload new earwax removal videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 9 PM UK time, so please consider subscribing. Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our earwax removal video today. A short but interesting video for you today. This patient's come through with a very blocked up ear canal here. You can see we've got some very dry earwax. There's a lovely sheen to the outside of it, which is either going to mean it's a little bit softer or it's quite solid. But as you can see when we get the microsuction tube on here, it's really quite solid around the outside edge here, so a really hard bit of wax. I'm just trying to look for any grip I can get on the outside of this using the suction tube, but as you can see we're struggling a little bit, so we're going to opt to go in with a Jobson horn now and just aiming above that little lip at the top of the wax there into the groove, and we're going to pull down. Now what you'll see with this wax is as we push forward, see it crumbling forward, so it's got a really hard outer section but a really crumbly inner section, which means it's difficult to get a really good grip on it with the Jobson horn. Normally what you do if you've got a hard piece of wax, you push into the wax and use the wax's structure to pull it out. But when it's crumbly in the middle, as you pull this through, look, that's all it does. It folds the central wax in and leaves that harder section around the outside edge. But I'm just trying to get a good grip. Now we're starting to see a little bit of movement there, so I'm going to go further in, wiggling. Can you see the shell around the outside edge there as you lift it up and down? Just trying to get behind that now. There we go. So out it pops. A little bit of dry skin at the rear end there. But when we look in, can you see all of this like thin, very delicate, almost like spider webby skin in here? Now you've got a flap that's fallen down from the top section here. So this is the fine end we're using at the moment, otherwise it's going to whistle quite a bit. So you can see as we're peeling down the canal, see it pulling away from the canal walls on all sides. Now the section we were just working on is the one that's been embedded into the back of that wax. But look at this section in front of the eardrum as we get a grip on it. See, the whole thing moves. So it's one thin, very, very thin layer that's sitting just in front of the eardrum. Has got little bits attached to the rear end, actually backing onto the drum itself as well. But can you see how it puckers up and it folds into the suction? So we're just trying to get rid of this top section here if we can, because I think this is going to feed into that back section there. It's just pulling away, just coming away there. I don't know whether you've spotted on the community tab, guys, we're in the process of getting the merch sorted out. It looks amazing. Obviously, I'm not going to spoil it, but it looks really, really cool. So we're going to be getting that over the next couple of weeks. Thank you to everybody that's been using Instagram. Mrs. B loves Instagram, so she's all over that at the moment. We'd like to get up to about 1,500 followers if we can. So if you don't check us out already, pop over and check us out. So you can see on here now, we're just folding all this into the suction tube. Managed to get a nice big piece away there, but you can see we've still got this chunk to the top right hand corner, the section at the bottom there which is flicking up in front of the eardrum. See how dry all this skin is? So this is really dry skin. This doesn't hurt the patient, me sort of suctioning on the skin itself, because the skin is dead skin, so you won't feel it. What you'll feel is the actual peeling motion. But what we're going to do in a second, when it's really dry like this, you can see it's really kind of pulling on the skin. If we introduce just a little bit of olive oil in here, it's going to soften this up no end. So I'm just trying to peel as much as I can. So when we put the olive oil in now, watch the difference in how this skin comes away. As we get a grip, you can see the oil is a little loose here from outside. As we get a grip, there, can you see it all getting pulled in? But see how much more easily this comes away now? It's just moisturized just that little bit. This is going to make it a lot more comfortable for the patient to have removed as it's peeling away. Olive oil's just blurred the camera just slightly there, so we're just going to go clean the camera off and then go back in. So this is just an overproduction of skin from the canal walls. Just almost like if you imagine having not so much a skin tag, but like a pull of skin that carries on growing, like if you had one on the side of your nail, that kind of thing. That's the sort of thing we're talking about here. But you can see how thin, as we're pulling this away now, that fine end's got a really good grip. Now look at it peel down the canal wall. As it's coming away, keep an eye on the canal. We'll see it all peeling away. Look at it all coming towards the camera. There we go. So the whole thing now is peeling away really, really well. And then when we go back in, there's the eardrum. So all that thin, spindly, spidery type skin's disappeared now. So this is what we removed. The hard chunk with the crumbly bit is to the right hand side. That long pull, the last one we pulled out, is the bit on the left hand side there. Phew, exciting stuff. As always, guys, take care. Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you did enjoy the video, then please like. If you're not subscribed already or you'd like to do so, you can click the subscribe button here. If you'd like to check out some more of our videos, they're also up there. Now, if you want to follow us, you can do on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also check our website if you want to know a little bit more about us. As always, guys, until the next time, take care.